farmstead. I've been walking the property a little bit, looking for foraging opportunities, and I found a whole slew of paws. I have a whole bunch behind me. Hi, way up there. I don't think any of them are fruiting yet. But everything I read, it's a pawpaw, not a buckeye, because of the way the leaves. Oh, I got a bug. The way the leaves. Yeah. So if you look, it's staggered every other. Now you get a bigger one, like up there, and you can see they're not coming off the same branch. At least that's my story. And I'm sticking to it. But I could be wrong. Time will tell. So, walking along the property in the woods here, I stay kind of hugged around the border here. I don't go too deep in. And I disturbed a deer. Heard it. Definitely distinct sound. And as I'm walking along, again foraging, trying to see what we have on the property, I come across this really cool deer bed. So I decided to just take a minute, listen to the birds. Let me show you where I'm sitting. You can see the deer path coming in right through here. And I'm sitting on a stump. And I'm fully encased. And you can see over here is where they go out. But I'm just encased in nature. Oh. Mr. Diesel dog barking. Come on, where are you? Crazy dog. Okay. Onward for more hiking.